Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Squarespace site styles for better accessibility, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Squarespace site styles for better accessibility, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu and select the design option. From the design menu, click on Custom CSS. In the Custom CSS editor, begin by adjusting color contrast. Use high contrast colors for text and background to ensure readability. Next, check the font size and style. Aim for a minimum font size of 16 pixels for body text. Ensure that your font type is easy to read, avoiding overly decorative fonts. Now, move on to alternative text for images. Select any image on your site and click Edit. Add descriptive alt text in the provided field for all images. Next, focus on the use of headings. Use proper heading hierarchy, beginning with H1 for the main title. Organize your content using H2, H3, and so on for subheadings. This helps screen readers navigate your content more efficiently. Now, check link visibility. Ensure all links are clearly distinguishable from regular text. Consider underlining links or using a different color that contrasts well. Next, improve navigation options. Make sure your navigation is intuitive and easy to use. Limit the number of menu items to avoid overwhelming users. Now, test keyboard navigation. Ensure that all interactive elements can be accessed via keyboard. This is crucial for users who cannot use a mouse. Next, consider the use of ARIA labels. Add ARIA labels to areas that require additional context for assistive technologies. Finally, conduct an accessibility audit. Utilize online tools to evaluate your site's accessibility features. Make any necessary adjustments based on the feedback. By following these steps, you can enhance the accessibility of your Squarespace site, making it more inclusive for all users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.